Hi, Mr. Olson here to talk about your final homework assignment of the 2020 calendar year before winter break. So, as we approach the very end of our second unit, which will end up on Friday or Thursday and Friday, December, supposed to be the 17th or 18th, I think. Yeah, 17th or 18th. Let's say that's right. We've been looking at kind of more modern issues, and we've been working. We talked a little bit last week about Indian boarding schools and relocation, and in class this week, we'll look at some of the strengths that are enduring for Native peoples to this day. But your homework, this final homework assignment of this unit, focuses in on kind of one of the very visible challenges facing the Native American community in the Twin Cities and in Minnesota at large, and that is homelessness. And this is something that a lot of you have witnessed firsthand as you looked at some of the homeless encampments that popped up in Minneapolis parks over the course of this past year. And this homework assignment is a little unique in that it's not necessarily an assignment where you're going to get a lot of exact correct answers, but you're going to be asked to kind of think a little bit. You're going to be asked to kind of analyze and take a few guesses and learn a little bit more. And we're going to actually end up revisiting this when we come back after break. We'll kind of follow up on this a little bit. So for this, what you're going to do is you will open up this Google form. And everything you need is kind of right there in the Google form. So the very first thing you'll do is you will put down your name and period number as you normally would. And then you have basically three preliminary questions. So questions 1, 2, and 3, you're just going to answer kind of based off of whatever prior knowledge you may have, whatever best inferences or guesses you can make. Then once you've done that, you're going to watch 2 short video clips. They're going to give you a little bit more background on these homeless encampments. The total length of these 2 clips is about 5 minutes. So you'll click on the first one and it'll open. And when you'll see it's from the CBS4 WCCO website. And when you get there, the video will pop up. And when the video pops up, you may have something muted. Now, if you have something muted, like I do, you'll notice there's a little speaker there. If you click on that,
for people experiencing homelessness.
Okay?
Comes after.
So you'll watch the first clip. And again, it's just a little over 2 minutes. You'll click on and you'll watch the second clip. And again, the same thing. If it's muted, click on the little speaker deal in the bottom left-hand corner, and that will unmute it. And I think this clip is a couple seconds longer than the first one, I believe. Yeah, it's 2:48.
Need some help as more parks are turning into.
You'll watch that. Then once you've watched that, you're going to kind of react to that for the last 3 questions. Okay. So question 4, question 5, and question 6. Okay. Now, when you are totally done, okay, make sure you hit submit and you'll be good to go. Again, not a lot of specific exact right answers to this question, just looking for some kind of good thought. Thinking this is an assignment that'll take most of you probably around 20 minutes or so. Again, best time to do this would be during our Panther Power Day on Wednesday. If you have any questions, I'll be available during office hours Wednesday morning, always via email. Good luck.